welcome to the Murder Dungeon. It's been about 2 weeks since I've posted anything, and before that I only had a channel for I think about a week and a half in which I put out about 6 videos. So just an update on why that I haven't posted anything. If you can kind of see behind me, my track is a complete fucking mess, and that's because I'm going through and I'm just adding on to it, adding some grass, lighting all my buildings. So I'm just going to take a quick look over here and give you guys an update. And so far, after tearing everything apart, this is as far as I've gotten so far. I'm running wire and everything like that to get ready to light all my buildings. All the garages are going to be lit. Putting grass down on there. I'm going to be doing some other landscaping stuff. I've managed to, in my plans, and I had enough room to squeeze out about another 10 feet of track. So I'm going to be a little over 60 feet at this point. And so, yeah, as you can see, just a complete mess. Got some stuff pieced together. Waiting to get together here, but yeah, so far I'm just, working from the back end out, and this is as good as I've gotten, and I've gotten some new stuff that I'll go over just shortly. I've also picked up a few more buildings as well. I also picked up even more today, but I got these like last week. Alright, so now we are topside. I could not stand being down in that confined, cluttered area at the moment. So we are above the Murder Dungeon at the moment, which is one of our retail locations here. And just above me is my own personal arcade, so I'm kind of sandwiched between work and 2 really sweet spots. But I'm going to go over. First we'll do the cars, because everybody, it's more exciting to go over the cars, right? If I can get myself in frame. We've got this little bad boy here. And of course we've got that stupid light reflecting off it. We've got this nice little hot pink Lamborghini. Obviously that needs to be digitally chipped, but I've got plenty of those. Next in line, another Porsche Spyder. I love these things. And this is probably going to drive like absolute shit, but wah wah, Dodge Charger. The Pooh car. And I guess I should have opened these ones before. So let's turn that light down. There we go. We got the Pooh car. Pooh Pooh. Yet another Porsche Kramer, sorry. And of course, this little guy right here. Wah wah. Pretty sweet. Alright, so let's do some more stuff here. Got some more buildings. 1, 2 of this guy. Which I think now that I'll have like 5 or 6 of those. I don't even know. Of course, more more garages. We're extending our pit a little bit here. 2 more. Another double lane change. This will be the 3rd double lane change on the layout, because if you're running a digital track, why not have lots of lane changes, right? That's my theory. Yet another lane change. Exciting stuff. more borders, and more borders. I'm not going to go over all those. I picked up like 6 of those. Another lane change. Some more straights, of course, because we need more straights. And then one more curved lane change. Obviously, I have a lot of work to do, and I'm hoping to get all my track lit and ready to be going here in hopefully 3 weeks. Maybe a little less, but we will see. Alright guys, and that's about it for today, and maybe I'll throw some more stuff up in between the time of me getting my track reset, but I doubt it. The next time you see me, it'll probably be with the track all ready to go, and hopefully in about 3 weeks time. So you guys have a good one, take it easy, and we'll see you next time.